Are you curious about propolis? Let's explore its potential benefits, uses, risks, and how to use it. Propolis is a resinous, waxy substance that bees create by mixing their saliva with beeswax, along with compounds from various plants and trees. Bees use it to seal gaps in the hive to keep out intruders. Propolis also has antimicrobial properties and may protect bees from pathogens. Propolis has been used since 300 BC and may have antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Some of the substances present in propolis may also have anti-cancer properties. Modern research suggests that propolis may be useful for minor wounds, oral hygiene, inflammation, and cold sores. Although propolis has been used for many health conditions, there is not strong scientific evidence to support all of them. For example, there is not enough evidence to show that propolis can help with managing diabetes in humans. Research suggests that propolis has a number of properties that could benefit human health. However, there is not much high-quality evidence to suggest that propolis is an effective treatment for specific conditions in humans. Always speak with a doctor before trying new supplements.